Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the radio from a VW Golf Mk7. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent any electrical shorts or damage. It is also wise to place a soft cloth over surrounding dashboard areas to protect them from accidental scratches during the process. Now, let's begin by carefully prying off the decorative trim panel that surrounds your radio unit. Always use plastic trim tools for this step to prevent any damage to your dashboard or the trim itself. Work slowly and methodically around the edges. Once the trim is loose, you will likely find a few screws securing the radio bezel or the unit directly. Remove these. With the trim and bezel removed, you should now see the main radio unit secured by 4 Torx T20 screws. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove each of these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the radio unit forward from its housing. This will give you access to the various electrical connectors and the antenna lead located on the back of the unit. Disconnect all of them. After disconnecting all the cables, you can now carefully slide the entire radio unit completely out of the dashboard opening. To reinstall a new or repaired unit, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the trim panels snap back into place correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.